Hello friends, how are you? So welcome to our channel. So today we will learn how to animated any object in a path. Mostly that is called path animation or guideline animation. So I'll tell you the one sample here. Control enter and this. Like this object is moving on the path only. Here I use one background. So it stop for a little bit somewhere and it will go around like this one. So for this all the animation I use only the three layers and one object, whether it is anything. So I'll tell you from the starting. It is, first of all, go to the new page, control N, and make a new page. So you can use any action scripting 2 or 3 side like this one. So I have some of the graphics. I don't want to spend a lot of time, so I have some of the graphics here. I have one butterfly and I have one flower. This. So I have butterfly and I have flower. So what I will do, my butterfly will go on the yeah, I will animate it in, and it will it go around the flowers only, like some of the flowers are here, it will go like this one. So first of all, basic thing I will tell you how animation can work. For this I will take here one rectangle. So I will tell you here, rectangle, go to the this object and remove one so that I can find like this. Yeah, great, good. So I have here one simple object here. If you want to fill any gradient or color, you can fill very easily. So I have taken here simple color here. So for this you can also go here and you can fill some colors like this one and go there like. So I have simple object here, make it movie, F8 and make it movie. Okay, so I have one movie here, and for that, first step, create movie. Second step, go to the add guide motion, add classic motion guide. So if once you will click here, you will find one automatically layer here, this guideline. So click on this one. So and use to pencil or pen. You can create the guideline using the pen also and pencil also. So let me start with the pen directly, or if you click on the pencil, you can find here pencil mode. There are three mode in a pencil. So if you drop here, you can find the straight line, it work like this one. Second mode is smooth, this one, which is really very fantastic in flash, and third one is ink. So it runs. So there are three kind of mode available of pencil. So try to select the smooth mode. So let's go to the pencil. You can press the V also for pencil shortcut. So I have taken this one pencil and let me go make the one path like this. So I have created simple path on this one. If you want to work on the path, you can directly use pick tool and give some path. If you want to work with path very deeply, you can click on the selections tool and you can work with this anchor point. This is called anchor point. You can work on this. You can click on the nodes and you can drag this anchor. So this is my path, and what I need, again I clicking on the pick tool. So I need this object, it should be go around like this object. So for that, first of all, I don't want to give animation on guideline, so I can click here F5, but I want to give the animation on my this object. To right click and create classic twins. I'll send you this PDF file also, so don't worry about that. I will attach the sample file also. So create classic twins, click on this, and on this last object press F6, or what I need, it should be go like this one, it will stop over here. So like this one. So let me know how it's working. Yes, good, great. Yeah, so now it's working on the path. Let me check. Yeah, it's going. But what happened, it should not go like this one, it should go like this one. So okay, so for that you have to click on here and go to the property bar. You can find property bar on your window and click on the control F3. In the property bar section, you can find this four options: snap, synchronize, scale and orientation. So you just click on the orientation to path. Orientation, remember always in an exam, 2D examination or interview, people will ask you what is orient to path. You should give the answer. So orient to path, click on the orient to path, and let me try this. And what happened in the last section, you can do one thing. In the last section, last, click here and give little bit path, this one. So let me try. Yeah, wonderful. Yeah, so control enter and now it is going like this. So in the basic animation you can also click, suppose if I will make it small on this, so what happened is that work, yes it worked. It's showing that it's coming for very far and it's coming to near. So this is called the path animation very easily. So now I can do, you can also understand this one object, then right click, create guideline, and you can give the path animation. It's very easy. So let me give some proper animation like this one. I'll show you this. So for this one I can do one thing. Let me delete this two line. Yeah, so we can work on this. I have one background, simple background here. So I took one flower here, also beautiful flower, and keep it somewhere on your, always use this. So I don't want to animate it this one background, so I click on the, you know, lock that particular layer. Oh, yeah. This flower is bigger than the tree, but it's okay, for the animation it's good, no problem. So now I am going to select the butterfly. So let me check. Yeah, this is a flower. So let me drag here. I have flowers and this I'll copy paste this butterfly over here, control C. On the butterfly I require this three part. You can create the butterfly very easily using any vector software. So now I have this butterfly. So lock everything because I have to work on the butterfly only. For this butterfly, make it smaller little bit. Yeah. Now press F8 button for movie clip. So name it anywhere or press and double click on this. Now I have this butterfly. I have three. For this animated, I have three part of this. For it's you can click and make the you know, frame by frame animation also. But right now I'll tell you very smooth part. So right click, this is called distribute to layer. This is a best option, distribute to layer, and because of using the distribute to layer you can find it will be, oh, if my software will not close, it's good. Oh, it's closed, no problem. I'll do it everything very fast, no problem. So for this, yeah, very fast, no problem. So let me start the flash. Sometimes if your file is very heavy, it's creates some problem. So okay, no problem. So I have this all the object. I have copy paste the object, this one. Okay, let me make it small, it's very big. Control 2 for fit to window. Now press this. I want to give the animation on this object only. I don't want to give the animation on the flower. So make it one flower here and make it bigger, no problem. And F8 and make it movie clip. So this butterfly is movie clip. So for movie clip, what happen? I can keep it in different layer. Copy paste in different layer. So I have three, the body and the wings. So for this, press 10 F6. No, first of all create the animation. Like in the body I don't want to create animation, make it F5. But in the wings I want to create the motion. I want to create the motion, F6, make it F5. So in this section make it F6. Before before press the F6 you should lock this, lock 1. Yeah, lock it. now both wings are locked. Now press F6 here and click on this F6 here. So there is no animation right now. Go to the center somewhere and make it like this. Again go to the animation, this part, make it like this, make it a little bit more. Yeah, so you know this, very easy. So now I have two flower and butterfly. You can make it into another layer. The object which you want to move on the path, it should always on the new path. So I have this flower and I have this one butterfly. So in the flower I don't want to give any animation, so I make it F5, but in the butterfly I want to make the animation. Before that you can right click on add classic motion guide. So right now there is classic, one layer automatically came here. Now I will make the pen tool. Pencil I have already told you to this time I will make the path using the pen tool, and it will go around like this. Yeah, so this is a simple path I have made. If you want to work on the path after making the path, you can easily work on that like this. Make it more smaller. Okay, so you can easily work on that path, no problem. So I have one path here. So in the right click, once you will click on this, let me show you wonderful thing. Right click and create motion guide. So once I will create now, it will automatically join this line. If it is near around this, create classic twins. Yeah, it's joined. Like tell you again, right click, click, okay. So right now it's joined with the path. So what happened, I can create this on the create classic twins already. Then in this section I can press F6, and where it should go like here only. So I'll make them its body like coming here. So let me try how it's working. This. Okay, good. So I will click on here and I will click on the orient to the path, and let me see it's coming very proper, like okay. So let me check. There's this animation. Yeah, it's working very fast. Let me make some space here. So I'll show you some more animation here. Okay. So its wings is not working properly. So what happened, I'll go here. Make it F5 in 10 frame. Press the control button and shift F5. I'll show you again how to do that. Solve the thing. Control Z I am using here. So what I want to remove this little bit frame, so it will work fast. Who's using the control and shift F5. Just a minute. And it will go to here. Yeah, it's good. Now it will work good. And again shift F5, shift F5, right. Yeah, so maybe it's work fast. It's so what happened, this is a path animation. Now what happened if in this, once my butterfly came to here, when it will reach here, it should stop sometime. So in this press I can press the F6 button and create one frame and hold down the alter and drag it somewhere like this one. So right now, because same and creek remove twins here, so in this section my butterfly is coming here but it's not going because no animation is there. Again it will go. So let me check. So it will come here, it will stop here sometime, and again it will be go to the next flower. So this is simply a path animation. I am saving this file, and I'll share this all files with you, so you people can work on that. I have I have more file related to it. I will send you this also, so try to work on that. Thank you so much. So this is called guideline animation. If you have any queries, please let me comment.